Now, practicing with your what you call presser foot as a guide. So this is the side of the presser foot. This is the side of your presser foot. So you use your presser foot as a guide means your edge of your fabric lines up with the edge of your presser foot. That is what it is called, using the presser foot as a guide. Right? So this is the edge of the presser foot. Your fabric is lined up with the edge of the presser foot. This is how you would sew. Okay, so this is what we'll do, a maze kind of sewing for your practice. Okay, so I'll do a demo. You sew, making sure that the edge of the fabric is lined up with the edge of your presser foot. When you come to the end, okay, turn, lift the presser foot, turn, and make sure the edge of your fabric is at the edge of your presser foot. Then turn, right, and go right up to the end. Once more, you have to learn to see where your needle is so that the presser foot is at the, if it is not, just move it a little bit more. Okay, one more stitch. Okay, then go right up to the end one more time. Turn. Now, this time, because you are at the end already, right, you will use the previous sewing line as your guide against your presser foot. So, as you come down, you will see. Now, can you see that the presser foot is now lined up against my previous sewing line? Presser foot line up against my sewing line. Let me go a bit further so that you can see. The presser foot is lined up with the previous sewing line so that you can sew a maze. Okay? One more. Do it as many times as you can. This is a very good practice. So this is called presser foot as your guide. So once you're done, you get a maze like this. Can you see a maze like this? So all along your presser foot, the first you start off with the presser foot following this edge, and then after the second line your presser foot is following this sewn line, the previous sewn line, as a guide, and lift to turn, right? So that is how you do this practice. Presser foot guide as your presser foot as your guide. This is the practice you should do.